Some stories are written in hearts. Some words last forever. This is the story of a young man, whose life was woven with love, sacrifice, and pain. In a university corridor, two hearts collided for the first time. The moment felt as if time itself had paused. Time flowed on, and their meetings turned into love. Her laughter, their moments, as if the world had stopped. But fate had other plans. One day, he discovered he was afflicted by cancer. He chose to shield his love from pain. And while hiding the burden of his heart, he told a lie. "I never loved you, it was all just a game." Her heart shattered, their bond broke. And he was left alone. His only support, a dear friend, was taken in an accident. And thus, a void appeared in his life, one that could never be filled. But he did not surrender. Till his last breath, he gave hope to others, and transformed his pain into words. He wrote his final pages, a book, the voice of his heart. This story is not just about loss, but about hope, courage, and true love. Noor established an orphanage in the memory of Zaroon. His love, sacrifice, and courage now lived in many hearts. Years passed, yet Zaroon's presence lingered everywhere. Noor still held his book close to her heart whenever the nights grew heavy. Zaroon may have left this world, but his last words lived on. Not just in pages, but in every tear Noor shed, every smile his friends remembered, and in every heart whispering his name.